Oh, well, I remember Justice Hudson in the Supreme Court once. He and I had quite an exchange. I was appearing for a fellow on his second bigamy charge, which is pretty unique. I mean, why anyone commits bigamy, I don't know, but why he'd committed a second time. And I'd put all the stuff I could. We'd got evidence even from the women involved that they weren't terribly upset about it.
They weren't?
No, they weren't concerned about the fact that
They had to share him and they weren't worried?
Poor silly bloke. Well, I suppose they shared him one after the other. I don't know what they did together. If you could have seen the bloke, I don't know how anyone shared him with anyone. But all events, he'd got 9 months the first time, and the total sentencing remarks of the judge were, well, you got 9 months the first time, that didn't do you any good, so now you got 18. And I just thought it was outrageous, and I sort of indicated my displeasure, and I was pretty quickly told to shut up and go about my business. And I had no respect for that bloke from then on. I didn't appear before him all that many times, although I did a couple of murders before him, but I didn't warm to him at all. I mean, some judges are just not warm sort of people to appear before, but you have the greatest of respect for them. Mr. Justice Little, who was a member of the Supreme Court bench, and I would have thought that people thought he was a pretty tough, stern little bloke, Dougie Little as he was known. But I did 3 or 4 murders before him, and after one of them got the most wonderful letter from him. We'd gone down for murder, I might say, but it was at least somewhat consoling to get that note from him, and I've still got that note, but you have those sorts of things. Today, there are a lot of judges. I don't know how many of them are going to read this, but there are some judges who, I think particularly county court judges, who lack the experience necessary to really deal with issues, and lack the knowledge of life that's necessary to really understand people. And
are you saying they've been promoted too soon?
Yeah, well, or some of them I think should never have been promoted at all. But I mean, at all events, they are not able to make decisions. That things go too slowly, and that's one of the real problems of the law today in comparison to when I came to the bar.